so what we've got here is a 2016 VF GTS, which is a supercharged LSA. We'll be doing one of our Dynomotive cam packages on it, which will be a custom Dynomotive camshaft, a set of valve springs, 22% overdriven balancer, set of headers, high flow cats, then onto the dyno for a custom tune. So it should come up really well. So most of the time I don't need to pull the supercharger off to do a cam package. In this case I have, because we're banging some heat spaces between the supercharger and also between the cylinder head. So the front of the engine's been pulled apart, which obviously means you have to get the heat exchanger off the front as well. Gives us the ability to pull the cam out while the engine's still in the car. New cam's ready to go, we're about to do a swap.
Getting ready to fit the dual valve springs, which includes the seats, valve stem seals, retainers and collets.
Righto, so engine's all been pieced back together, camshaft, valve springs are all done, spaces for the supercharger. About to put on the hoist, bang a set of headers on it, set of high flow cats, and then we'll head to the dyno for some tuning. Okay, so we're all done on the dyno. It's come up an absolute treat. Going back to the start of the video where I mentioned this thing made 370 kilowatts and about 650 newton meters of torque. It had previously been tuned. We've since done our cam package, put the exhaust on it. We're now sitting at 496.9 kilowatts and 820 newton meters. So an absolutely incredible increase, over 100 newton meters, 120 kilowatts. And to think that these things come standard with about 300 kilowatts, now 190 kilowatts later, what an absolute street machine.